In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate an image here in Canva. Now, there's two different ways that we can actually do this. The first way is by simply clicking onto the image, coming above this to where we see here where it says duplicate. Then if we click on there, we have now duplicated that image. Now, another way to do this is just by copying and pasting. Now, on a Mac, that is Command C. So if we press that, then if we press Command and V, we've now duplicated that image again. Now, on Mac, it's slightly different. Nope, on PC, it's slightly different, where instead of Command and C, it's Control and C to copy, and then Control and V to paste. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to duplicate an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.